Hi, this is The King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us discuss the paramount importance of understanding when and where to invest your hard-earned money for a secure and prosperous future. Wealth builders, making informed decisions about your financial investments can have a profound impact on your financial stability and long-term goals. Now, you might be wondering, King, when and where should I invest my money to secure my future? Don't worry, I got you covered, wealth builders. As your king, I have prepared the ideal order to allocate your savings for debt reduction and investing. So, without further ado, let's get started. Wealth builders, when it comes to investing your hard-earned money, the number one priority should be to establish an emergency fund. Why, you ask? The answer is pretty simple. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion for unexpected circumstances is crucial. Crafting a robust emergency fund involves considering factors such as your monthly expenses, dependents, and income. Additionally, your emergency fund should be easily accessible and stored in a reliable account. As a handy guideline, aiming to stash away funds equivalent to 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses is a smart move. Be prepared, wealth builders. Whether it's for an abrupt job loss, car repairs, or replacing a broken appliance, this fund serves as a bridge to keep you afloat during challenging times. Your king wants you to remember that the optimal order of investing begins with safeguarding your future through a highly accessible emergency fund. Now, when aiming to optimize your investment order, keep in mind the 401k plan and position it as your second best choice. This tactic guarantees an immediate 100% return on your invested amount. Who wouldn't want that mouth-watering 100% return? Your king assumes that there's none. Am I right? You see, in the US, prominent corporations frequently offer 401k retirement matching programs. These programs, which offer tax-deferred benefits, entail employers matching the deposits made by their employees into the account. Wealth builders, it's important to note that the extent of matching varies across companies. Some may extend their match to 5% of your income, while others may provide different proportions. For instance, let's suppose you earn $60,000 annually and contribute 5% of your income each week. This would result in a total investment of $3,000 from your earnings by the end of the year. Investing in a 401k is like giving your future self a high five. And believe your king when I say that this strategy will empower you to leverage employer contributions, effectively doubling your investment and establishing a solid foundation for your financial security. Now, let's move forward with your optimal investment strategy. The third wise step involves directing extra funds towards settling high-interest credit card debt. Wealth builders, it's crucial to prioritize using your savings to eliminate these burdensome debts, preventing their annoying accumulation. This approach often outperforms potential stock market returns, given the hefty interest rates involved. Furthermore, before venturing into a taxable brokerage account, ensure you have completely repaid your high-interest credit card debt. Continuously bearing high interest rates proves counterproductive and resembles an inverted investment scenario. In this scenario, you end up providing substantial returns to the bank instead of growing profits from your own investments. Your king is here to tell you, wealth builders, that by freeing yourself from the constraints of high interest rates, you can redirect those funds towards building your investment portfolio and maximizing your potential returns. This proactive approach will allow you to take full control of your finances and work towards achieving long-term financial goals with confidence. Next up, wealth builders, it is important to consider prioritizing a taxable brokerage account as the fourth step in optimizing your investment approach. This type of account provides you with increased investment options and the ability to diversify your portfolio. A taxable brokerage account serves as a platform for investors and traders to engage with higher-risk stocks and assets. This step is advisable after fully utilizing retirement plans and optimizing taxes. Here, You can take on more substantial risks beyond traditional strategies without impacting your daily living standards, regardless of the outcomes. It's an ideal arena for implementing quantified trading systems with a competitive edge. This forward-looking approach enhances your potential for growth and success, like a mighty gladiator in the investment arena without compromising your daily living standards. Your king just wants to say that harnessing the power of quantified trading systems will allow you to sculpt a future where financial prowess harmonizes seamlessly with the art of living, transforming your investment arena into a realm of prosperity and achievement. Moving right along, let's say you have finished paying off the higher interest debts. Now, it's time to discuss the next crucial step, which is tackling lower interest debt. This is step 5 on our path to financial success. Whether it's a car loan, money owed to family or friends, or personal loans, it's time to clear these from the slate. Now, here's the connection to the optimal order of investing your money. Before you jump headfirst into investing or trading, it's essential to be debt-free. If you're in debt, your focus should be on paying bills and making ends meet, not on playing the market. Think of it this way. Until you're free from debt, you're not truly building capital, you're merely juggling expenses. And I understand, wealth builders, that just by thinking about it, it can feel tiring, right? Now, you may ask, what is our mission? Well, your king wants you to boost your income or reduce your spending to pave the way for investing. It's a smart move to eliminate lower interest debt before delving further into investments. By doing so, you are creating a solid financial foundation that sets you up for even greater success in the long run. But before we unveil the final order of allocating your money, I want you, wealth builders, to answer this. Have you ever found yourself debating between different investment options? What factors do you consider most important when making those decisions? Share your thoughts in the comments below, wealth builders. Let's see if we share the same thoughts. With that, let's get back to the video. Now, for our last step in allocating your savings for debt reduction and investing, we have paying off your mortgage. This move is all about investing in your own home sweet home. And for your king, this is another key step in your journey towards financial success. So, wealth builders, how does this relate to the optimal order of investing your money? Well, think of it as a 2-in-1 deal. As the old adage goes, a man's home is his castle. And by focusing on this, you are ensuring a strong foundation for your future wealth. By making extra mortgage payments, you're not only reducing the total interest you'll pay over time, but you're also building equity in your home. It's like investing in a valuable asset that's all yours. Consider this scenario. If you acquired your property during a period of historically low interest rates, maintaining your existing mortgage arrangement could be a strategic move. The gradual erosion of the loan's real value due to inflation subtly lightens your burden over time. Moreover, when gauged against the broader scope, your endeavors in the stock market hold the potential to surpass the gains from your mortgage interest rate. Wealth builders, this prudent approach creates a symbiotic relationship between your mortgage strategy and your investment portfolio, positioning you for enduring financial triumph as the years unfold. Your king here wants you to always remember that by nurturing your dwelling as an appreciating asset and harnessing the potential of your diversified investments, you are sculpting a roadmap that combines security and growth in the grand tapestry of financial success. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time, and always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.